There is nothing that will make you feel more feral or free than throwing a lump of meat onto the embers of your campfire. Are you ready to get caveman? Let's go. So first up, you want to fire up your coals until they get ashy and white. Now I'm using kindling and logs, however you can also use a charcoal. Just try and find restaurant grade if you can. You want to avoid anything that's got toxins or chemicals in, so avoid briquettes, lighter fluid, firelighters, that kind of thing. You want to keep this fire au naturel. Now my fire has got a little bit low here. I've just cooked flatbreads on them, which you're going to be seeing next Wednesday. So ideally I'd have more embers than this, but this is still going to work perfectly well. So you want to flatten out the coals as much as possible, and this is going to give you a better meat to coal ratio. Season your steak both sides with salt and pepper and then slap them directly onto the embers. Once you've dropped them onto the fire, then step away and do not touch them for the next 2 minutes. You want to start to build up a crust underneath that steak. After 2 minutes, flip them over. If there's any ash or coal stuck to the underside, don't worry, just flick them off with your tongs, it's not a problem. And then cook the second side. Now my steak was just under 1 inch thick and I gave it a total cooking time of 4 minutes, which is 2 minutes each side. I like my steak rare to medium rare. If you prefer yours more well done, then that's fine, just add on an extra couple of minutes and you should be good to go. When the cooking time's up, then take your steak off, pop it onto a board and just let it rest for a couple of minutes. Now I'm slicing mine and serving it with some lettuce that I've just picked from the garden and in one of my beautiful flatbreads that you'll be seeing next week. However, you could serve it with perhaps a fire-baked potato or with a pasta salad. And you know, the absolute best thing about this recipe, apart from obviously it tasting really good, is the fact you've got minimal washing up. Yes! So that's it as always. I hope you enjoyed this yummy recipe. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and feel free to subscribe to my channel because I bring out new camping recipes every single Wednesday. Have a brilliant week, friends, and I'll see you next week for the next installment. Until then, have a great week. Happy camping.